everybody, and welcome to another wildlife and nature vlog. Bit different today. I'm using a different camera. This is just for test purposes really. I'm using the GoPro Hero 2018 model. I've got it on a selfie stick, as you can see. Whoa! And I'm using the lapel mic, which is connected to my iPhone for the sound. So hopefully this is all in sync now, but that's something I'm going to have to sort out in the editing suite later on. But oh, and I haven't got any wind sort of deflectors on the GoPro itself. I know I'm using this. Right, it went off then, as though it's only doing sort of 2-minute or 3-minute bursts of footage. So I might have to play around with the settings on my GoPro. The last time I used it was underwater, so it might well be it's only in 3-minute bursts. We've had a lot of rain, a lot more rain recently. It's really wet, it's really boggy, and it's really muddy. I've already seen some different fungi, some Jew's ear, just on a little fallen branch. Other than that, I've not spotted any other fungi. The fungi that I pointed out to you in a previous video, where there was lots of it all under that tree, over like 100 separate fungi, that's all gone, it's disappeared. So it just shows fungi doesn't hang around for long before it vanishes or dies off. So I'm just going to wander around the meadows as they are doing now, and I'm going to wander around the woods as well and see if there's anything worthy of note. And like I say, this is just really a test of the GoPro. We're in the second phase of lockdown now. Another month of lockdown. I had planned on doing a wild camp next week, but that's all been put on hold, so that's a bit disappointing. But I have done a video on all the kit that I was going to be taking, and I made changes to the kit that I used. There's a squirrel just going up a tree next to me there, but I don't think you'll pick it up on the GoPro. It's just behind me. The sun's probably in your eyes there. Yeah, I made a lot of changes to the kit that I used on the Helm Crag wild camp. If you haven't seen that video, then please do take time to watch that. It was something new for me, spending a night at height, and I learnt quite a lot. As you go, I'm really trying to struggle through the mud at the moment. I've just checked on one of my apple trees, and it wasn't looking too good. I forgot to check the other one in that corner. That just shows how long it is since I've been in the meadows. I'm forgetting my routine, so I might have to go back and just check on that. And I'm also picking up some fox scent, so that might be something to follow up on. So yeah, we'll just carry on through the meadows. I'm just going to go and check on this apple tree here, and then I'm going to have to go back and just check the other one. Right, we'll just go and check on the second apple tree, and it's looking similar colour to the other one. Maybe it's just because it's winter, because I'm comparing it to the ones I've got in my house, which are green. These are obviously out in the elements, so maybe that's what that's the reason. It's just losing its leaves now, and they're all, the actual stem of the tree looks all right, looks fairly healthy. Yeah, it's just losing its leaves because of winter. Right, let's go and check on the other one. Right, here's the other one. Yeah, it's looking all right. That's okay. Right, so that's number 2, just number 3 to check now. This GoPro does actually have an element of video stabilization built in, so even though I'm on the selfie stick, it shouldn't be too bad. I don't think it's ever going to be as good as the gimbal, but we'll check when we get back. But let me know what you think. Right, we're just approaching the other apple tree. Let's have a look. It's a really nice day today, really nice morning. There it is. Let's just come over a little bit, staking down a bit better. That's better. Yeah, it's doing all right. Now I'm pretty sure that this is the same fungi that I spotted and showed you a few weeks ago in the last nature vlog. It's in exactly the same place, by this little piece of holly right by this fence, but it's just a lot bigger now. Look at that. That's amazing how that's changed. See the gills there, and more of it. See exactly the same spot. Look at those gills. I really do need to find out what that is, but now it's changed shape, I might have a better idea and might be able to better identify it. Right, I shall check that when I get home. Now this might not seem like much, but that there is a fern. Tell it's the fern and not the bracken, because all stems from the centre and comes out. Bracken is in separate stems, but you don't find that in these woods, and that's the first time I've ever seen any fern in here, and it's one of my favourite plants as well. That's good to see. There's some more dews here. Must be the right time of year for it. Starting to see quite a bit of this now. Robin there just on the post. It's the only problem with the GoPro, I can't zoom in. But it was there, I assure you. Right, I'm just doing a test now with the sound from the GoPro. I'm not using the lapel mic, it's just the microphone on the GoPro, which are supposed to be quite good. I've got you at just over arm's length, probably a bit further, coming close. Don't know what the sound's like there, whether that's any good. These will all be tests for me to check up on when I get back. Now I'm at arm's length plus the selfie stick. How's that sound? Does that sound alright? There's not much background noise. A few birds, me walking through the gravel. Right, I'm back on the lapel mic sound now. I'm quite enjoying using the GoPro. It's a lot different to the phone and the gimbal. It's a lot lighter to carry, the gimbal and the phone together. When you're doing quite a bit to camera, like I'm doing now, it can make your arm ache. So having the GoPro is a definite plus. Obviously the GoPro is a little bit more limited to what I can do. I can't zoom in, I can't do the really nice silky smooth pans. Although just handheld, it's not too bad. Like I say, it's got video stabilization built in, but we'll find out when we get back. But this will definitely be good for when I go out on my hikes and my wild camps. It means I've got less to take in the bag, and I can just use my phone for the sound or the mic on the GoPro if it's any good. So you'll just have to let me know, see what you think. Obviously with the GoPro on a selfie stick, I can get some completely different angles that I certainly can't get with the gimbal and the phone. So again, that is another plus of the GoPro and the selfie stick, because you won't be able to get shots like this or down below. It's a lot easier just to maneuver the camera around, whereas with the gimbal I'm limited to arm's length. Right, well, that brings us to the end of this video. It was only a short one. It was mainly to test the GoPro, see how that fared. So please let me know what you think. What was the video quality like? What was the sound like compared to what I normally use, the phone and the gimbal? If you did enjoy that, please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and mind you don't trip over the squirrel like I just did then. And yeah, don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.